Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a little overview of these Bear Home pleated bed sheets. So this particular bed, as you can tell by the decor, has got a black comforter, kind of a cool space theme. But I wanted something that was not only going to match the black that we were going for, and there's a couple different, or a lot I should say, different color options. But I wanted something that had a nice black sheen to it that matched this particular comforter. Well, this is exactly what I was hoping for. These things fit exactly, which is always a little bit of concern. It fit exactly as described. So this particular option is for a extra large twin, and this is a 15-inch drop. So I wanted something that was very close, but not on the floor. And I was going for something that was a little bit more of a modern style, that was sort of a sleek, not pleated, but it does have these pleats right here in the middle, one, and then two over here, and they're also centered on the back side. You can see there, so it's got a little extra. A little extra on top of this is because when you get these, if you're particular about how these look, I actually iron these, maybe not the best job, but I did iron these while they were hanging. I was like, I think this would look better if I actually iron these a little bit. If you are going to iron your bed sheets, the best to do it on an ironing board, but I was just trying to be efficient with my time. Now, this company lists this as OETEC certified, OEKO-TEK certified, and that has to do with how these are made with or without chemicals. It does list that there's no harmful chemicals in it, and so that's kind of cool. Also, just from the touch, I can tell you right now, these things are nice and soft. It does list it as sort of a wrinkle-free, but I literally took it right out of the packaging. So, when it came out of the packaging, there is going to be some type of, I wouldn't say a wrinkle, but some packaging folds, if you will, that are in this. But literally, these have been on the bed for not even an hour. And my assumption is after a little of the iron on it, it just immediately went away. And these things are going to hang nice. Another thing that if you've put bed sheets on your bed before, that I just happened to notice after the fact, it's solid. Some bed sheets have a white top, and then whatever color you have draping down. These are solid, so like in this situation, the way the bed's sitting, you're not seeing any of that. It's nice, it's solid. Just has a little bit more of a premium look to it. That's an unexpected benefit that I didn't even think about when I was picking these things up. So if you're looking for something that has a nice soft texture to it, these things are actually really soft. The wrinkles came right out. Again, those were just packaging wrinkles. The color, and then if the chemicals that they advertise that are not in this is also important to you, just from a touch of feel, cleanliness standpoint, everything that kind of goes into something being produced without chemicals. Hopefully the description here helped, and we'll talk to you soon.